Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images to Google Keep in 2026. Adding images to your notes is a great way to save photos, documents, screenshots, and visual ideas in one place. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and create a new note. Give the note a title, such as Travel Ideas. Now click the image icon at the bottom of the note. Select an image from your computer and click Open. The image will be added directly to your Google Keep note. You can also write text below the image to add descriptions, reminders, or important information. After adding the image and text, simply click outside the note. Google Keep automatically saves everything. To view the image later, open the note again. You can add multiple images to the same note and keep all your related information together. This feature is useful for saving receipts, class notes, project photos, travel plans, and important documents. That's how to add images to Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.